work for the development of women and come up with a policy that can help women of my region. Mr. Speaker, I believe that the social and economic development is the key for the developed society. Therefore, I may come with the projects and programs that can help my locality by bringing positive social and economic development opportunities. Mr. Speaker, I would like to draw your attention to some issues which my females are facing in my region. There is only one degree college in all district level. There is only one high school in Glencoe. How I expect that the people of my area can go for higher education when there is no high school for them? It's difficult for them to come from urban areas. Most of my people, most of their parents are drivers. They are not that much financially stable to buy a separate car or separate pick and drop facilities for them. There is only one headquarters hospital in Glencoe, where in any emergency cases they have to take the patient to Peshawar because emergency cases are not facilitated for there. Another big issue which my people are facing is the non-availability of drinking water or supply of water. For them, the people have to go to urban areas to drink the water. Due to this, they face health problems and social protection problems of these females. All this cannot be, however, Mr. Speaker, all this cannot be achieved alone, but is possible if we all work together. Therefore, I am requesting to every stakeholder, policymakers, social and private sector to contribute to positive development of women's social and economic development of the region. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.